In example 2, we are given our saturation voltage, our saturation current, and our slew rate, such that our saturation voltage is equal to 14 volts, our saturation current is equal to 2 milliamps, and our slew rate is equal to 0.5 volts per microsecond. And we want to determine if our operational amplifier obeys our linear assumptions and can be treated as an ideal op-amp. For us to begin, we will ensure that the absolute value of our output voltage is less than our saturation voltage. We found our output voltage to be 10 volts, and this is indeed less than 14 volts. Therefore, our first requirement is met. Now, if we look at our output current, the magnitude thereof, we have to ensure it's less than our saturation current. That is, when we take the absolute value of our output current, we would have 0.5 milliamps, and this is less than 2 milliamps. Therefore, we meet our second requirement. Last but not least, we want to make sure the absolute value of the time rate of change of our output voltage is less than our slew rate. The time rate of change of 10 volts is going to be 0, and this is obviously less than a half, such that our third requirement is met. Therefore, our operational amplifier can be treated ideally.